Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I guess I should say good morning, or sorry, good afternoon. Good afternoon, at least for those of you who are in the United States. Good evening for those of you in Europe. Good morning, Australian bros. I am live. For those of you watching in the future, since no one's on the live stream yet, hop on over to my Twitter account. I am keeping track of this. It's really comforting having a feeling of being in control. And when I say in control, I just it seems like I'm about 95% accurate right now with where I've been picturing things going. If you have watched any of my TikToks lately, just feeling like, all right, I called for a bottom in July. At first, it was July 18th, and then I changed that to somewhere between the 18th and the 20th. I'm feeling more and more confident about that, aside from a total collapse of the stock market or a black swan event, something like that, cyber attack, whatever you want to call it, as people like Crypto Weatherman, he's pointing that out. But if those things don't happen, my confidence level is high as to where things are going, and just having a feeling that we are close to the bottom. So what's up, Grant? What's up, Technically Fundamental? Oscar, please tell me what's happening with ETH. Everything is following Bitcoin's lead right now. And aside from something major, something crazy happening, like I'm very convinced that we are at or near the bottom. Tomorrow there's 9,000 grayscale unlocks. That's the last of like the big wave. Yesterday we had 16,000 unlocks of their shares, and that was priced in today as the stock market opened. We saw right before the stock market opened a pretty big dump. And so now ETH is following Bitcoin's lead. ETH bounced off of 1,800 pretty well. Bitcoin, the lowest it got was 30,400. I am wondering if there's going to be one last push down. People are waiting, I think, for sub $30,000 Bitcoin. And whether or not, I'd say it's about 50-50 whether it gets there. And if it does get there, it's going to be really quick. And after that, I'm expecting some kind of jump. I don't think it's going to be huge, but something bigger than, man, I already got a downvote. Okay, interesting. Got a unlike on YouTube. Sorry to hurt your feelings with my accuracy, I guess. Anyway, so I'm feeling good about my buy orders. I've set some. I did some market buys. I set a few limit orders. I'm feeling good about the idea of buying in right now. That's what I should say. So buying in right now, I'm comfortable with my position. And then after that, my bags are packed. I probably won't be doing any more buying for the rest of this year, really. There are some next cycle. There's a mindset that I'm going to have when it comes to buying that, I'll do all my buying in 2024, and then when 2025 rolls around, I won't do any buying. My bags will be packed in 2024. Just think about the returns if you stopped buying on December 31st. Your returns wouldn't be huge for Bitcoin, but for the alts, your returns would be enormous. So, ETH was, I want to say like $600-700. Cardano was lower. Everything was lower. Everything was lower. So, good afternoon, Albert. What's up, man? So yeah, I'm ready to move forward. I can see the fear of retail investors. I see the confidence in which they are declaring that we are going to the 20s. That we are going to the low 20s, and somebody like Pablo, for better or worse, he makes good points. I still disagree with him, and so we will see. I do believe in that golden ratio. I believe in the 61.8% that we're not going to see a close, below the 61.8% higher level than the 2017 peak. So, all right, let's do this. I'm going to go live on TikTok. You know the drill. What about XRP? Ready to answer a bunch of XRP questions, a bunch of Doge questions. Unless there's anything else you guys want to talk about before we dive on in. Last chance. As always, I will prioritize the... What's up, Clarence? I will prioritize the YouTube chat, as always. So... Okay. Let me set up my green screen. I'm live in 3, 2, 1. I am live on TikTok. So I went live this morning on TikTok. I did not go live on YouTube because I took my kids to music camp, and I went to a Panera Bread. And just I couldn't do both. I couldn't do TikTok and YouTube. I mean, really, I couldn't do YouTube at all. So I went live on TikTok in the morning. So for those of you on YouTube, I'm going to be doing that most days this week. I'll be live on TikTok in the morning, but then live on both in the morning and afternoon. So. Please don't fall. Please don't fall, phone. Okay. Welcome back. What's up, One Moab? I was live this morning, but thank you for... Oh, welcome back. What's up? Yeah, the camping trip. I had a good camping trip. It was awesome, actually. It rained on Friday night, and we had a blast. Fortunately, I was able to start a fire still, so... that would have messed things. That would have been a huge bummer if I didn't. But yes, I am back. Do we see sub 30 Bitcoin? I think so. Well, no, I think it's about 50-50 now. So 8ENG. Do we see sub 30? I'm less confident about that now than I was before. No, I haven't seen the SEC update. Because look, the stock market's down 900. The Dow Jones is down 900 points today. We had the grayscale unlocks, the Dow Jones drop. I'm surprised that Bitcoin isn't already under $30,000. So will it go below 30? You know, we have a few more unlocks tomorrow, but other than that, if it doesn't happen tomorrow, I really, really don't think it's going to happen. So yeah, Bitcoin price to buy, it's like now is a great time. I mean, just don't go all in, just buy a little bit now. So rained on the recent camping trip. That's funny. So what's up with the SEC update? 2/5 of the top personal saying Ripple never had fair notice. Oh man, yeah, it's a sham. XRP is not a security. They have no authority to regulate XEC. So ETH prediction, as far as how low it's gonna go. I mean, it bounced off of 1800 this morning. Maybe it'll go below 1800. I don't think we're going to see a daily close below 1800 for ETH. So if you see it below 1800, get in. What is CLV token? I have no idea. You think settlement soon? I hope so, man. Let's get this beyond us. So that's rained. Oh, Clover. Yeah, Clover Finance. Okay. Do you gold? I don't. Not yet. I will eventually, but not right now. So I'd like $100,000 metals. Do I hold XRP? Yeah. What's your top 5 crypto holdings? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Cake, and Chainlink, I think. So entry price for Chainlink now. Man, under $15. What a steal. Nibble away at that. If both parties are saying no fair notice, then there's no case. Okay. Good. Very concerned there's no way Bitcoin holds. We'll see. I mean, listen, the things that I'm looking at, OC Peter, is like, if there was a time for Bitcoin to go under $30,000 this morning, today is a great time, and it didn't. You know, whales haven't re-entered. They're eager, OC Peter. They're eager to get in under $30,000. Everyone's waiting under $30,000. So yeah, if it goes under 30,000, I think it's going to be very quick. And I think the whales are going to just get, like, everyone, not only whales but retail as well. Everyone's going to be buying that super aggressively. Hold Chainlink for how long? Man, forever, as long as possible. What do I think about Luna? You know, Luna's back down as far as the price is concerned. It's back down to a decent price. It got way too hot. So, yeah, buy in. Let me check something out here. Yo, B, what's up, Fash? Where do you expect ETH to be by December? Like 5,000. Hello, Crypto Kamagan. Do you play any DeFi games? No. I'm not huge into gaming. You know, maybe I'll do some mana eventually, but could vet reach next run, do you think? Yeah, I think so. I think that's very likely. Sometime in 2022. Litecoin, ETH Classic. I'm not a fan of either of them. I do think that they'll go up. I mean, I'm bullish on ETH, so I'm very bullish on ETH. I think Polygon's a good price now. Again, you know, buy a little bit now, buy a little bit later. So, or Wang says, don't wait, buy now. You're any bit nervous, just FUD after FUD these days, but I'm gonna hold through it. Shifty 7, I'm not that nervous. No, I mean, I called this. You know, it's going according to plan, at least for me. When you expect everything to start climbing again very soon, after the last of the grayscale unlocks tomorrow, I think it'll slowly climb in July, and then August will be a good month. Hey, what's up, A Nasty Tricks? For how long this heat will keep going? Do you think it'll break 30K? It's possible it'll break 30K, but I think if it does, it's gonna be for a very short period of time. What could ETH be end of the year? I've been saying 5,000. You done your shopping or waiting for more dip? I'm waiting a little bit for more dip, not a lot. So, why is crypto market down these days? Watch my TikToks. Watch my most recent TikToks. ETH by December again, $5,000. What's up, Blockchain Crusader? Should I keep holding my ETH, Bitcoin, and Doge? Yes, all of them. Bought Ethereum at 1950. Should have waited. Under 2,000 is a great price, man. You're gonna forget about it soon. Came late. Did you say it'll be good to hold? Hold. Yes, hold. Sales, big discount. You love crypto going cheap. You just see it as a sale, pretty much. You know, I do lose sleep. Trust me, I lose sleep. But really, most of my worries are that you're going to sell at the worst possible time. And not you in particular, Fast, but like a lot of people are going to sell right when the whales want them to sell. When do you expect Bitcoin to hit its all-time high again? Like November, December, something like that. Should we hold XRP with all news? Absolutely hold XRP, yeah. Doge in December, man, I don't think Doge is going to be at an all-time high in December. Maybe like 50 cents or so. ETH price now is 18.13. People are going to hate themselves if they don't DCA at these low prices. I'm with you on that, man. Should I buy more ETH or DOT? DOT is at a fire sale price right now. Maybe DOT. But ETH, man, yeah, ETH is so much more of a sure thing. But DOT at $11.41 is insane. Vet prediction for August, well, I don't know, like 12 cents, 15 cents, something like that. Yes, Christian, hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge. Yes. I'm not telling anyone to sell right now. Dash. So Dash had a short squeeze today, and then it went right back down. I think as far as timing is concerned, that's a really good sign for the whole crypto market. ETH in March of 2022, if it peaks out around then, I'd say 15,000. Shiba, it's going to be flat for a while. What do you think about VET right now? Good price. I haven't checked the price today, but I mean, if anything under 6 cents, you got to jump on in that. I do not think ETH 2.0 will ruin ETH. XRP, I've been saying $8 to $10 this cycle. I haven't changed on that. What's up, Cots? What should I buy short term for good gains? Marshmallow, you should know I'm not a big short term guy for good gains. Anything, you know. You're welcome, Christian. What was Dot's high? About $50, and I'd be shocked if it didn't go at least there. It's too early to tell, Katya. There's still some unlocking. Sam, yeah, I've been shopping a little bit, not a ton. I just set some limit orders. How low will ETH go? It might wick below 1,700 or 1,800, but I don't think it's going to close there. All right, I'm hopping over to YouTube. I am live on YouTube. I can answer every question there. Look me up on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Hey, Jim and crew from Port Orange. When do you go live every day? Jimmy, I don't have a consistent schedule. I'm sorry. For YouTube, it's going to be in the afternoon this week because my kids are at music camp and I have to take them in the morning. Can you guarantee the viewers that ETH will be at 5K by December? Never guarantee anything. I don't mean that as a cop-out, Yvonne. That's kind of ridiculous that you asked me that question. I will never guarantee you anything. I hold Litecoin. Yes, I do. If too early, then when will you know if you were right? I mean, I'm not declaring anything, Fry, until August. But I called for a July 18th bottom for Bitcoin. And then I changed it to July 18th to 20th, and I'm pretty confident about that. Thoughts on Cardano? I mean, Cardano's still holding strong. I know it's a little lower today, but I think it's a good sign. Shiba Inu is going to be flat for a while. XRP to 10, maybe. Will it ever get smart contracts? Yeah, eventually, but they're way behind, or they're way slower than what they've been saying. Why is this website not loading? I know you're talking crypto, but did you stock up on more AMC? No. Hey, do you have an opinion on AXS? I think it needs to go down a little bit more. When is the cycle due to end? It depends on who you ask, Alex. I would say that it'll end in early to mid 2022. You think we're in a bear market? Yeah, I think we are in a bear market, not the bear market. It's not like pack your bags until 2024. So Matic by March 2022, maybe like $5. If you can buy Luna, Cake, Chainlink, Dot, what would you pick between those? I'll say Chainlink. Thoughts on Matic? I love Matic. Institutions want all the retail buyers out of XRP. Yeah. You think ETH will ever get this low in the future? No. Shiba Inu price prediction 0.00000000, whatever. I don't know. I don't even know how to do that with those kind of coins. You know, how many zeros are there? And I'm not really paying attention. Grabbing 3 more Bitcoin if it drops below 30. Nice, Pastors. Good to see you again. Top crypto you'd buy right now? Maybe Polkadot. Maybe Link. Something like that. Why is everything so low right now? I mean, watch my most recent TikToks. I've been saying that this is where it's been going. So today, 20th, not much difference. What do you think? Maybe Wang. I am curious about the last of those. Yes, I believe Bitcoin will hit 100K. When's Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk doing their thing? The 21st, 2 days from now. Your mom asked you if you lost money, man. Great time to buy. I agree. Which one would you choice to have, Aave or H-bar? I'd say H-bar. Dot 1 for future, you think? Yeah. Did you load up on alts yet? Yeah, slowly but surely I have. I have some limit orders that I've set. So what do you think about AMP and the future it holds? Not enough information, Julio. Sorry. Have we reached the lowest for Bitcoin? We're very close, in my opinion. Do you think Ethereum will drop more? Perhaps, but I don't think it'll have a daily close below 1,800. Pulse chain airdrop. I know nothing about that. Yeah, I hold some XRP. Do you have a financial background? Want to be like you? Hey, thanks. I was an econ major in college. That's the best I can do, and I've done a ton of research since I graduated. VThor price predictions. I don't really have a price prediction. I'm bullish. I'll say that. Top 10 holds. I mean, I'll give you my top 5. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and Cake. Am I more bullish on ETH or Bitcoin? I'd say ETH. Found bugged BTC exchanger. Posted a video. Okay. What do you think Link could be in 10 years? 4 figures. I don't know exactly where, though. Coin, nothing. I don't have any information. USD coin or Tether, definitely USD coin. Price prediction for Chainlink when Bitcoin tops out like 200 or so. Haha, Vision. I think a lot of people are like that. Yeah, I want to buy at 29,999.99. Yep. If you buy ETH, do I need Matic? Oh, that's an interesting question. Maybe not, but why not? You know? Do you think after 20th will fly? Fly is an interesting word. I wouldn't say fly. I would say it'll go up slowly, I would suppose. So I am live on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. I am actually able to answer every question after that. ETH price after this dip, I mean, how far after? You know, maybe, how about 2,200 by the end of the month? Something small, you know, nothing huge for the rest of July. Excuse me. BSV, I'm not paying attention to BSV at all. Sorry. Excuse me. I'm not expecting much for the rest of the day for crypto. I think everyone, the volume's really low right now. So, and it was pretty high this morning, and now it's back down. Bro, do you have to recover the crash? There will be another one in August. No, I think August is going to be a good month. September, though, September might not be all that great. Thank you, Sads. Really appreciate that. Buy VeChain? I think so. I'm still. Let me check the VeChain price. If it's under 6 cents, you should buy, in my opinion. Not financial advice. You mean August will up? Why? Man, a lot of reasons. Probably the biggest is just, all right, VeChain's at 6.1 cents. It's close to a buy. We're due for, it's more of an intuitive feeling. Like ever since Bitcoin broke down below $40,000, I was just like, all right, it's going to take a while for us to recover. And I think by August, from May to August, that's the time, you know. Will SafeMoon ever go up to all-time highs? I think so, yeah. Will Bitcoin go down to 24K? It depends on who you ask. I say no. There's more chance of doubling up quicker on DOT than ETH. Wouldn't you say? Yeah, Fash, you're right. Yes. Why is August good? Yeah, I answered that already. Thank you, Sam. Get ready for another dip tomorrow. I told you ETH would go into 1,700. Tariq, I wouldn't disagree with you on that. I just don't think it's going to close at 1,700. Crypto Weatherman says bear market till August 22. What do you think? I disagree with him. I love Crypto Weatherman. He keeps me grounded. The thing that I would say about Crypto Weatherman is that he's not a Bitcoin guy. Like, he's so smart. He's an economist, brilliant guy, but he's not a Bitcoin guy. It's like, Bitcoin is my baby. I know Bitcoin, and I know Bitcoin better than he does. So he knows everything else better than I do, but I know Bitcoin better than he does. What about Ethereum Classic and Dogecoin? I mean, man, I'm not a fan of either. Sure, why not? Top 4 to invest 25% equally into. What in the world? All right, that is not the chart. All right, Bitcoin and Ethereum for sure, 25%. Let me say Chainlink and, man, let me just say Binance. Second coin I'm buying in this dip is Cardano. I just like the, oh my goodness. Yeah, cool, man. Is there a chance ETH will flip over Bitcoin? I would say so, yeah. Badger, yay or nay, I don't know enough. EGLD, really don't know enough, sorry. Lots of people are asking me about Clover Finance out of nowhere today. Is something going on with Clover Finance? I don't have any thoughts, really. I don't know enough. Bitcoin buy Ofer? What? Thank you, One Moab. Any idea about when we're going to recover? Like this week, I mean, we'll be moving up. I think we're seeing a bottom this week. XRP is going to be flat until the SEC suit is over. Crypto coin, any good? Crow, if you're talking about Crow, yes, absolutely. Hey, what's up? What's up, Nicholas? I'm good. Good day. How much would Bitcoin jump if there was a relief rally in August? I think it'll go high 30s, low 40s, something like that. All right, Clover was recently added to Coinbase. There we go. Daily DCing, VChain, and HBAR. Stay away from things like that that get added to Coinbase. Good call, Crypto Husser. Top 3 in the next 5 years would be Bitcoin, ETH, and Binance. What do you think? I 100% agree with that. News, always heard big buyer, buy a lot of Bitcoin, but the volume not big up. Why? I think they're waiting, wang, until Bitcoin goes to the 20s. So what's going on with ETH? Still 8 to 10K by October. Man, I haven't said that in months. No, not 8 to 10K by October. Is Quant in my top 5? I'm still learning a lot about Quant, but so far, I mean, it's threatening to be in my top 5, Ken. So ETH 8 to 10K, I changed that opinion a while ago, and I've been saying 15,000, but like 2022, Feeney. So what does ETH flipping Bitcoin even mean? Might sound like a silly question. It's all market cap. It's it's market cap. 3 Bitcoin or 50 Ethereum, whichever is worth more, which I'm pretty sure is 50 Ethereum. Crow has amazing arbitrage versus DOT. Cool. Don't buy any coins now. I disagree with that, but don't go all in now. Lowest Bitcoin could go, into the 20s. If it gets in the 20s, people are going to be chomping on that, man. Yeah, BNB under 300 is a gift. Yeah. Do you think this XRC lawsuit could be a smokescreen to drive all of retail buyers out? No, it's been on. The SEC lawsuit's been going on for a while. If XRP hits $12, where would you say it comes down to through the bear market? That's a hard one to say, Tuska. It lost, like 98% of its value from the peak to the bear market bottom. Will it do the same this time? I don't think so. But I could see it losing like 90% of its value. So what, $1.20? Bitcoin to zero, Dogecoin to the moon. Yeah, 100%. When do you think the pain will be over? The moment you give up. And I shouldn't say that. Listen, I'm despairing. There's times that I'm like, man, is Bitcoin ever going to go back up? And it's around that time, in my opinion, maybe a little bit more painful than that I'm thinking like, bam. Cardano will be the silent deadly killer. Okay. So you don't think ETH hits 1,600? It could wick down to 1,600, but I don't think it's going to close at 1,600. Cheap coins you would recommend? Quant. ETH 15K by January? No. More like 15K by early, March to May, maybe. Lowest Ethereum can go. I already said that. Zilliqa, don't really have enough information about Zilliqa to make a judgment call. So what's up, Sambo? Don't have enough money. Payday is Friday. I want a whole ETH. Just can't get there. You still have some time. I don't think it's going to be a huge pop after the bottom. So, all right, let's see. Doge $5 profitable one day. Pablo's got some countdown timer set for 30 minutes time. He's probably going to go live. I'm assuming that's what that's about. You're welcome, user 706. Where do you see Crow hitting long term? How long is long term? Easily $1 on a long enough timeline. What's up, Smiles? When do you think the peak of the bull market will be? Early to mid 2022. Thank you, Bowman. You two hold your ground. Omi, very bullish on Omi. Just a matter of when. When does Omi pop off? So, Zlatan, that's hilarious. Daily RSI for VET is at 30. Okay. So I could buy more ETH. I think that's a great idea. Always be buying more ETH. Binance, a lot of problem. Do you think it's still safe to hold Binance? Yeah, I do. I know there's some short-term concerns, but just hold on to it. You're welcome, Richard. The thing about me is I'm a holder. I hold. So I'm holding my Binance. I'm staking it, getting okay returns. And I'm happy about that. So, can take a breather. Matic daily RSI is in the 20s. Buy some Matic. Thank you, Joshua. Yeah, so recently my predictions have been pretty accurate, I would say. And again, if ETH goes below 1,800. I would hit that buy button. I don't think it's going to have a daily close at below 1,800. So what alts would you be buying during that 5K you mentioned? Bitcoin. Well, all right, I said Bitcoin. Ethereum, Chainlink, maybe some VeChain, Matic. What else? Oh, Polkadot for sure. Binance price prediction end of year 800. Doge, no, not Doge is gonna be flat for a while. Yep. Got 20K. Do I put half in Bitcoin and half in ETH, or all in ETH? I'm more in favor of spreading it out. Did you see Theta dump pretty hard? No, I didn't buy. People want immediate returns. Yep. What price could you realistically see Quant reaching this bull run? That's a really tough one. Quant performs as it wants to perform, you know? So I really can't answer that question. I mean, easily 3 figures, but that's not really that dangerous of a guess. So Ethereum hard fork August and triple halving early 2022. What happens? Miles, I'm not going to entirely answer your question. I think they're just they're both bullish. I got access to a 64-page report that, okay, brace yourselves. I don't believe this is going to happen, but this person is calling for $150,000 ETH in 2022 because of that stuff. So, you know, take that for what it's worth. What gives Dogecoin value? Belief. I'm not a fan of Dogecoin. Solana, I love Solana. Oh, Solana. I'm adding Solana too, yeah. What about tomorrow's close for ETH? Above 1,800. When will it be the peak of the bull market? Early to mid-2022. Pablo going live on Instagram, but not TikTok? That's interesting. TikTok shadow banned him. That's a bummer. I want to go live with him again. No, I want to go live with him once it's a fact that you can see that he was wrong, that he's been wrong about his predictions and that I was right. So that's when I want to go live with him. Cheapest price you bought Bitcoin under 10,000. How would you split your portfolio in percentages if you had 15K? 25% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum. Spread the rest out. Solana, Chainlink, HBAR, Polkadot, Cardano, XRP, XLM, Maker, Matic. I could go on. How low does DOT go? And Chainlink, I can't see DOT under $10. Chainlink, maybe like 12 or something. So someone told me to turn my ETH into Cardano. Do you think that's a good idea? Not all of it. I mean, maybe I'm in favor of diversifying, but SNX network thoughts. I'm very excited about it. I don't have a price prediction though. XRP is going to be flat until the SEC suit is over. 2022 waiting game. Yeah. Greetings. What's up, Guillermo? Pablo, he's the biggest shorter. Yeah, I don't trust him entirely. Bitcoin prediction end of 2021, 80,000. Don't waste your. I know Sambo, but like, he's wrong. So I want to be there when we realize that he's wrong. So if ETH goes up 2022 that much, all right. You said that, not me. Who was wrong about their predictions? Pablo He-Man. I'm glad Bitcoin crashed. Also, Doge, it was moving way too fast. Now everyone can buy in cheap. Yeah, it was moving way too fast. Yes. Someone said Pablo is the biggest shorter. Yeah, he is. Everyone is scared to buy in now. Everyone is, yeah. How is Pablo wrong? Listen, I challenged him once and I was right, and I'm challenging him again. We went live, and he made lots of good points, and he'll be proven wrong again. Calling for $20,000 Bitcoin. Can you show us your buy orders? I can share with you. I've been sharing what I've been buying, but I tweeted that out. So Ember Fund has a DeFi. Did you know about it? No. How do I get my XRP back from Bittrex since they stopped carrying it? No idea, man. I don't use Bittrex. You've got to be able to get it though. I really don't know though. SHIB prediction. I don't think we've seen the all-time high for SHIB. It's just going to be a while. SNX I already answered. Yeah, I'm very hopeful about SNX. So what's Bitcoin going to do? Watch my most recent TikToks. Check out my Twitter account, WWBitcoin. I think we're very close to the bottom. So, yeah, link in the 14s. I'd say, if it got below 13, smash up that buy button. And, hey, smash up that like button and double tap the screen. Am I an NFT fan? Not really, no. Am I still bullish on Bitcoin? Absolutely, man. Rob, what's up, man? Doge gonna bounce back by the end of the year? I don't think it's gonna hit its all-time high this year, but yeah, it'll bounce back. No, I don't really have a 3-year prediction for Harmony. No. Am I buying Matic at 75 cents? 75 cents is a great price for Matic. That's on my list of things to buy. AXS, love this coin. Gamers spend. All right. ETH or BNB and why? Man, I used to say ETH. I mean, especially short term, you've got to say ETH. BNB had an attitude of like, we're going to ask for forgiveness instead of asking for permission. And now that's coming back to bite them in the rear. They'll be fine. But Adam and Crow have been holding well. Good, yeah. Binance give you how many NFT? I don't know. All-time high for SHIB. Less than a penny. Thoughts on ADA by the end of the year? Like $253, something like that. Thoughts on Monero? Not too excited about Monero. I think that they're going to have some regulation things that are going to be coming up soon. Price prediction for Bitcoin in August. High 30s, low 40s, something like that, neutral. How long is the timeline that alts go from their top to bottom in the bear market? Is it fast or months? It's initially very fast, and then it takes a little bit. So why aren't you guys mentioning refinance? Oh, Pablo's live on TikTok. No, I'm not going to go live with him. If he wants to go live with me, that's fine. XRP or HBAR? HBAR, but that's a tough one. Bitcoin will flatten to 18K in 2 months. I disagree. But got to stay humble until you see that I'm right. So Bitcoin, ETH, and BNB safer coins. I think those are the safest. Theta price prediction this bull run. I've been saying 100. I'm sticking with that. Bought a tiny amount of Doge, so I just need to pick up a bit and sell. All right. Binance free for me. 500K NFT for free. What? Thank you for those gifts, by the way. Safe Moon predictions. I don't think we've seen the bottom or the top for Safe Moon. I'll just say that. All right, Dan Sand, thank you. Vet predictions for end of the year, like 30 cents or so. BNB, ETH, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Matic. What about them? I mean, I'm bullish on all of them. So, AMP views. Now's the time to buy AMP. Don't go live with Mr. Bear. Oh no. No, if he calls into my channel, I will go live with him. So, but I'm not gonna initiate that. I missed the NFT hype. Everyone was making cool Bitcoin and Ethereum art. Cool art, yeah, or bad art. ETH prediction this cycle, $15,000. Yeah, I go live with Pablo if you don't want to talk. No, if we were to go live again, I would interrupt him a lot. Grab more Crow or Link. Oh man, that's a tough one. Let me say Chainlink at $14, man. Chainlink, yeah. Ethereum predications, 5,000 end of the year, 15,000 end of the cycle. BNB at 1,000 by 2022. I totally agree with that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am live on YouTube, by the way. I'm also live on YouTube. It's a better viewing experience for some. So 15K Ether in January. I wouldn't say January, but you know, if you think that, who knows? Maybe it will. It's not out of the realm of possibility. Dot or Link, I would say Link. And that's mostly because I like Dot. It's just, you know, there's a lot of competitors with Dot. So, I can take a breath. Watching Crypto Wendy earlier said now is not the time to buy. With all respect to her, I was shocked. No, she's been bearish, but listen, Crypto Wendy-O is taking her cues from Crypto Weatherman. That is not an original opinion of hers. So, I disagree. Dot has no real competitors. Ooh. All right. At least people lump them in with Cardano and ETH and Solana and all that. So crypto in the toilet, but bye. Yeah, totally, man. Thank you, In It to Win Raffles. I'm a slow. It takes a little while to like me, for most people. BSW new DEX in the market is doing pretty well. What is your opinion? Probably Binance listing soon. I don't know enough about BSW. When do you think the bear market will begin? Mid to late 2022. Crypto is good. Said Dot isn't meant for smart contracts. Maybe he's right about that. Do you need to follow him to see his videos? Because I've been on his channel before and I don't see any videos. So Dot makes its own version of ADA with ETH via Aura chains. Yeah, Dot isn't a smart contract platform. I know. Jump on Bitcoin today. You think Bitcoin will drop below 30K looking at its current price? If it does, it's going to be very quick. Very, very quick. What do you think about Litecoin? I'm not a huge fan. So, all right. Dot is a platform that allows blockchains to work together. Great, but people still consider it a competitor. It's in their minds, still same. So, what's up, AZ baby? I don't think it's going under 30. I hope you're right. I mean, it could be like a launch pad, like pulling a rubber band back and letting it go. The further you pull it back, the higher it'll go. So maybe if it were to go under 20K, under 30K, it would launch higher, VThor prediction end of the year. I don't really have one. I'm bullish on VeChain, so I'm bullish. Been holding off on buying today, getting tempted. Yeah, I'm holding off too. I'm waiting for tomorrow. So, Oscar, what's up, man? I'm good. Fam's good. Had a good weekend camping. So, ETH or BNB. Right now, I'd say ETH, especially short-term ETH. So, rocket. All right. How about Crypto Bureau? Do you think he good in prediction? I don't follow Crypto Bureau, so I really don't know. Link is at a really good price to start stocking up. Chainlink. Yeah, I totally agree with that. SHIB is going to be flat for a while. HBAR, I love HBAR. Long-term hold for me. Yes, sirree. Ethereum, is that like the Eritrean cryptocurrency? Or do you mean Ethereum? What other coins you stick on Voyager? I was thinking of just getting more DOT since it's 12% APR. DOT, I don't even know. It's just whatever coins I hold there, that stake I do. I know Bitcoin, I get 6.25%, something like that. So Elon could announce Tesla acceptance of Bitcoin again. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing about his first announcement was at a very vulnerable time, and Bitcoin was going to go down regardless. So will it go up if Tesla accepts Bitcoin? HBAR's Hedera Hashgraph, Hashgraph technology, look it up. Buy today or tomorrow? I'd say buy tomorrow. The Crypto Hustler, which is quite interesting. Bitcoin rockets, yep. DOT, buy DOT, man. DOT is at a great buying price. 63% of Chainlink is held by whales. See, I never made a TikTok about that. I'm not on top of that. I saw something by somebody who said that's actually not true, and I just haven't looked into it after that. So if he does, Bitcoin would rally. I hope so. Yeah, Rob, I do think it'll. No, not by the end of the year, end of the cycle, $100, $200. So yeah, is Doge going up and down 1,500? It will go up. Yeah, Doge is at 17 cents. When you profit on a coin, do you take your profits out or just hold all long term? I take profits out. $25 of AMP at 4 cents. Okay. Yeah, it is a little more complicated than Elon tweeting, but there's no doubt he does have an effect on things. So, Crow, I love Crow. Yeah, that's who it is. Bare Naked Crypto. He's the one. He called out some other influencers like Mac Lorden. I don't remember who else he called out. Crypto Mason. He called those guys out and was like, you guys operated off of incomplete information. You should have done your research. Polkadot price in January, like $65. Yeah, on Link. Yep. I think I'll go do some day trading. Okay. Good luck. I mean, it's trading within a narrow range right now. So, Ocean's a keeper? ALBT, I don't know enough. Crypto Keeper. Yeah, Crypto Keeper's cool. I like him. Is it better to sell Ethereum and buy back in the dip? No. Ethereum's close to its bottom. Do you think there will be a run-up leading to the Elon and Dorsey then sell-off? No. It would have happened by now. There would have been some kind of run-up. Where do you think next Bitcoin support is? I think all I'm saying is if we get under $30,000, it's going to be wild how quickly it gets back. Elon has a huge stake, then fair enough, but 1% of the holders can hardly impact the price. Yep. Do you leverage trade? No, I don't. Guys, are you watching Crop now? It's right. Crop? What's Crop? Some influencers steering the uneducated the wrong way, if not intentionally. Ice Wallow Cum. Oh, thanks, Matthew. Goodbye. All right, let's see. Quanta Beast. EMC, hello. What's your bottom prediction for ETH during the bear market? The bear market below, like higher than where it is now. That's all I'll say. Thoughts on the market right now? I'm very bullish. 22nd, 23rd price might go down. Why? Instead of run up before event, I think opposite could happen. Maybe. Terra Luna. Doge long term. Whatever. It'll go up over time, but Voyager stock, no. I think XRP and XLM will go down 22nd. Why? Rev, I don't know enough. ETH run into trouble with SEC, maybe. I haven't heard anything about that, so Kardashian coin. I get it. Big Boy Crypto doesn't think the bull run will extend. He thinks bull run will end September, October. Yeah, I disagree with him. I hope he's right. I want to be done with this. I want the bear market. I want to take profits and enter the bear market. Elon will announce something bullish on the 21st. I hope you're right, Alan. Looking like you going big VRO, going big bro. Am I? I mean, same old for me. If you look at the past 5 months, price has been its lowest of the month on. Oh, that's interesting. Visually stimulating. Matic, I like Matic a lot. So thoughts on Luna? It's down enough from its peak that I would say it's a decent buying opportunity. Good price to load up on Quant. If you see it under $60, or yeah, under $60, then I would say buy. So I think fur will influence price. Bids on ETH under 1800. It could wick under 1800. If it goes under 1800, hit that buy button. What if he says things like Tesla will accept Bitcoin? Imagine the pump. Maybe. It won't get back to where it was, that's for sure. Any more grayscale unlockings, or is tomorrow the last one? Tomorrow's the last big one. There's always grayscale unlockings, but the big one's tomorrow. The last big one is tomorrow. Why didn't 7 and 99 work for Dodge? It's a dog and not Luna. I don't even know what you're saying. What happened with Bitcoin in Malaysia? No idea. Price to buy Matic? 75 cents, which I think it's at now. I think that's a good one. FLR will launch end of July, which might impact prices. How long do you think the bear market will last? Until the next halving. But this is not this bear market, but like the bear market. NAKD, nothing. All right, Quant's at 66.37 right now. Yeah, if it can get under 60, smash up that buy button. XRP settlement 28th, maybe. I mean, I haven't heard anything about that, so something short term is either ADA or Internet Computer. These two will go down 22nd and then go up. All right. They're unlocking about 9,000 shares, Sambo. Long-term holds to the bear market is only ETH and Bitcoin. For me, it's not. A little bit of some Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, and Quant. I mean, look at Quant now in comparison to the rest of cryptocurrencies. It seems like it's unaffected. Grant, do you think a Black Swan event is imminent? Should I buy a cold storage device? Do you think our crypto is safe? I think crypto is safe. If a Black Swan event is imminent, it's like, you know, you can't predict that. So is it a good time to buy 10 Link and stake on Voyager or wait for a bigger dip? Now is a great price for Link. I mean, yeah, it might go lower, but buy some now. Why not buy like 3 now and then 7 at another date? So, all right. So, ISO 222 will be more or less adhered to. You have some good thoughts, visually stimulating. A lot of folks need the bull market in order to get their losses back so they can invest in bear. Yeah. Yeah, totally. I mean, I know that happened with Ledger. What type of thing would be considered a black swan event? Something that's unexpected, which is the difficult thing about it. So, the COVID shutdowns last March, that was a black swan event for sure. Yeah, I saw that, Renegade. I saw that, yeah. I hope so. Just bought 10 Link. Good. Good. If you go down, you're not going to go down for that long, and I believe Link will one day be above $1,000. So there's some returns. Makes it happen. We heard right now what's popping. Grayscale helping out. I mean, are they helping out? I've been seeing it as bearish. Thank you, LA girlfriend. FTM very bullish. Looking at ICP, but only next bear for cheapest price. Yeah, if you're going to get an ICP, just let it blow over. I don't think ICP is getting anywhere near its all-time high. Bitcoin to 20K, I disagree. Do you think Theta would drop to $3? Oh, man, I don't know. Where's Theta now? Is everything going to crash? No. Nope. There's somebody who I follow. I subscribe to his YouTube channel. I would recommend it too. He's the blockchain backer. He called the top at 64K, and he's been killing it ever since then. So let's see, 16 and have 4K in crypto. Just bought 30 dot. Excellent. You guys are doing it right, man. Theta's at 4 right now. Man, Theta's at 4. Converted all my ETH to Link. The amount of Link I got is now worth in the long run than ETH. Okay. I mean, I wouldn't convert all my ETH to Link. 405 for Theta. Wow. Where's Bitcoin going to be? Higher. Markets might crash. There's always that possibility, and especially now, it's like feels like the ground is shaky. Knees weak, arms are heavy. You think FTM will drop lower than 15 cents? I don't know where it's at right now. Who was that you just mentioned? The blockchain backer. He's a big XRP guy. You got to keep that in mind. But he's been on point. It's going to go below 30K perhaps. If it does, it's going to be really quick. Wait to the 22nd to buy. I would recommend as per the pattern emerging. I mean, yeah, that's 3 days from now. You might be right. Next week is payday. No, not by next week. It's going to be higher. Only holding Ethereum, Chainlink, and Quant long term. Not Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will do better than those in the bear market. So, Theta prediction. I've been saying $100. Theta's at 4. Do you think 3 is a possibility? Sure, yeah. And that's 25% drop. That may be a little extreme. I thought I was going to say Eminem. No, blockchain backer. XDC, XRP, excellent. Algo, and IOTA. What about him? I like all of them. Thoughts on the market right now, Crypto? I mean, everything that I've been calling for over the last 2 weeks is happening. I've been saying that we are at or near the bottom, and I'm sticking with that. So I want to, though, but I'd rather buy altcoins than a whole Bitcoin. I mean, I know that you know this, Alan. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. Let's see. If it closes under 30K, it's going to drop to 16K. Maybe you're right. Yeah. I don't think so. I don't think it's going to close under 30K, though. Dash went up by 42 today. Didn't go back down. I heard something about Dash getting a short squeeze. Thank you, Technically Fundamental. Bought 60K Link, 60.5 ETH, 10 Litecoin, and 25 ICP. Every time Bitcoin's under 30K. So the one time in June that it was under 30K, you did that? Because, I mean, that's a great strategy. These tokens, those tokens will be new money. Opinion on Neo and OMG, don't really know enough. You think the lowest is 28K? I think that's the lowest possible. So, Adam, aka Cosmos, it's okay. I hold some. Gold will increase dramatically. Interesting. Doge dead. No, it's dormant. But yeah, listen, yeah, throughout the bear market, I'll be loading up on some gold as well. So will you ever sell Bitcoin for fiat money? Not if I can help it. I just want to keep on stacking. So the hope is that I wouldn't need to sell Bitcoin for fiat. Thank you, buddy, man. Cardano in general, I'm bullish on Cardano. Would you recommend Kraken to state dot rather than Ledger? Kraken. Mike is low on YouTube. Sorry about that. I'll try to eat the mic, I suppose. I don't know the returns on Kraken for Polkadot. AVAX, interesting platform. I don't use it. I don't have any. Physical gold and silver and Bitcoin, excellent. Sit tight or buy for today. Sit tight. Yeah. It's a gas fees play. Something's a gas fees play. With ETH upgrade, not too relevant. Oh, OMG is. Okay. Should I open my own Lightning node? Why not? I mean, you're not making money off of it. With so many people with buy orders, a crash would be really fast. Yeah, I agree. Paper certificates for gold will no longer be accepted. Ah, yes, good point. What happened to Bitcoin in Malaysia? I don't know. So did something happen to Bitcoin in Malaysia? You're the second person to ask me that. I don't know. Do you make TikToks visually stimulating? Oh no, you don't. I'm assuming. You should make TikToks. I think you'd do well. And, you know, the only other person that I told to do that, no, I've told other people to do that. But Crypto Weatherman, I told him to do that, and he now has 76,000 followers. So, what's up, Alexander? Crushed a little bit of that. Crushed all the Bitcoin. Oh, in Malaysia. Okay, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, Bondly. You don't have a Twitter. What about a TikTok? Yep, the Malaysian government destroyed it. Yeah. Guys, I got to run. Yeah, I saw that. I'm done for today. Thank you all for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Yeah, why wouldn't they sell it? All right, you prefer Twitter. World War Bitcoin. Follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. Follow me on TikTok if you haven't yet. So I love BNB, ZK. See you, buddy, man. All right. Peace. Thank you guys on YouTube as well. It is hot in here.